So we will see all of you here, and I mean whether this Dunnings is working for the SAP S4 HANA or not. See, basically, in SAP S4 HANA, Dunning things are completely removed, and no one is using the Dunning. Okay, you got my point? So, but for our own purpose, okay, and at the same time for our own convenience, okay, so we will going to create the Dunning in the SAP S4 HANA. That is no issue. But in real time, no one is using the Dunning processes. Okay, so you know it very well, and this Dunning plays a vital role in accounts receivables, and Dunning is similar reminder notices to our business partners for their overdue or due items or outstanding balances. See, this Dunning letter summarizes overdue invoices, records, and asks us for the payment to be made. Definitely. So we configured this Dunning payment, this Dunning program for accounts receivables as well as the accounts payables to generate the reminder notices for the customers as well as the vendors. Okay. So now in this Dunning configuration, we will try to see the details. Okay, so creation of the Dunning area with company code using transaction code OB61. Can you go to the transaction code OB61 now? Go to the SAP screen, and now we will see what will happen in this SAP S4 HANA. Okay, we will going to see. And go to the new entries and give the company code. And the next one is Dunning area. Give the Dunning area, anything. And text is Dunning area for customer. Dunning area for customer. Okay, click on the enter, go to the subheader and save it. Okay, the next one is main Dunning procedures, all of you. So that is a BMP transaction code. Go to the transaction code BMP mode. And we will going to see the Dunning levels, Dunning texts, Dunning interval in days, Dunning all these Dunnings. Okay. Go to the new procedure now. Give the Dunning procedure. Give me 1 second. Give slash in. Give slash in. Go to the transaction code OB61. Company code and area. Okay, right. So click on the slash in ma'am. Remove this thing and give slash in. And go to the transaction code FBMP. Go to the new procedure and give the Dunning procedure, and name is Dunning procedure for company code. And give the Dunning interval in days is 1. Number of Dunning levels is 2. Just give 2 only. Okay, and Line item grace periods, no need to give minimum days in areas. We will give the line item grace periods at 1. And the next one is interest in calculator. And then this one is standard transaction dunning. Yes. Click on the enter ma'am. Go to the dunning texts. Click on the enter. Enter. Go to the dunning texts and give the company code. And forms is standards. Yes, continue. Go to the new company code, ma'am. And give the company code. Separate dunning notice as per the dunning level. Go to the save button and save it. Save the details. Yes, continue. And here go to the dunning text once again. We will maintain the dunning text forms for the particular customer. Now come back. Why it is in freezing mode? Go to the dunning texts. Continue, ma'am. Yes, continue and go to the new address. New address. Don't give anything, ma'am. Don't give area. Just give dunning levels 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Only 2. 2 dunning levels only. F150 underscore DUNN underscore. No. That is objective name. Form type. So form type. Open the form type, ma'am. No. Open the form type first of all. PDF based form. Don't give us any form type. Just give the form objective name is F150 underscore F150 underscore DUNN underscore 01. Hmm. 01. Same thing. Come back. Go to this save button and save it, ma'am. Go to the save button and save it. Click on the enter. No issue. No issue. Enter. No issue. Okay. Come back, ma'am. And step back. Enter. 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 Here go to the dunning levels. And just tick mark on always dunning levels and print all parameters. Yes, go to the charges. Go to the charges, dunning charges. Give the currency. We have 2 dunning levels, right? Okay, so based on the dunning levels only we can able to see the details. Okay, so that is from running amount 1000, 2000, and running charges, maintain running procedure 100 rupees, 200 rupees. Okay, I'll go to the minimum amounts now. Running levels are over. Give the 1, 2, and minimum running amount is 1000 rupees and 2000 rupees. 1000 rupees and 2000 rupees. The next one. Don't give any minimum percentage. Click on the enter, come back, go to the save button and save it. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, so go to the environment, ma'am. Now here go to the environment and go to the company code data. Yes. Go to the company code. Yes. And remove this dunning company code, ma'am, 0001. Just maintain your company code, DUR1. DUR1. Select that company code, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. No issue. Enter. Go to the save button and save it. Enter. 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 Okay. So, do you have the customers now? Give /n. Give /n. Yes. Click on the enter. Do we have any new customers that we have defined? Go to the transaction code XD02. Go to the transaction code XD02. Select the new customer. Go to the new customer. DUR1. Click on the continue option. Go to transaction code XD02. Give the customer. Click on the enter, continue. If the system is not showing, take out the first customer and continue. Okay, you do one thing. Go to the transaction code where XD01. Go to the transaction code XD01.
Sir, I'm not getting your voice.
Go to the transaction code XD01. Okay, go to the transaction code BP. Take out the organization. Take out the create in BP role, FLCU00. Take out the grouping. FLCU00. Down. Take out the FLCU00. Create it. Go to the company code data. Give the reconciliation account and take out the company code and adopt it. Give the reconciliation account. Go to the payment transactions, give the 0001 tolerance group and go to the correspondence mode. Give the learning procedure. Click on the enter, go to the 7 and select. Check if the business partner is error free or not. Yeah, okay. So give /n, give /n. So we have created the new customer, all of you, and this or whatever the transaction code that are obsoleted. Please try to find out all these things with your business partner members or else a business partner customer member. Okay.